Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I will give you complete details about GET subject. And what is the subject? That is economics. Yes guys, I will tell you previous year cutoff of every category and toppers details, and you will get some more important idea about GET economics. So if you are interested in GET 2022 economics examination, you should watch this video till the end. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and press the bell icon. And once again guys, I am requesting you, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay guys, let's start. I think you can see my laptop interface and cursor also. So guys, in this video, you will get very important and useful information about GET economics for 2022. Okay, so guys, all of you know that for GET 2022, which is the organizing institute, IIT Kharagpur, the oldest IIT of our country and one of the most prestigious institute of our country as well as in the world. Okay, so guys, in this video I will give you a complete details about previous year cutoff marks of economics subject. Okay, so watch this video till the end. So in this video you will get all the important information about economics. So what was the previous year cutoff for general category? It was like 29.4 marks. So guys, think about it. Just you have to score just like around 30 to 35 for general category. Okay, so no one know what will be the cutoff for GET 2022, because cutoff marks always depends on difficulty level, number of candidates are appearing, okay, in the GET exam. Okay, so these are the parameter, and all these parameters like difficulty level, like shifting, okay, and number of candidates. Okay, so all these parameter will decide what will be the cutoff. So it was the previous year cutoff for economic subject. So for general category, it was like the marks was like 29.4. Okay, and what was like for OBC and for EWS category, it was like 26.4. Yes guys, OBC and EWS category, all of you know that EWS category also one type of general category, but the cutoff for general category and OBC will be same. Okay, so listen guys, this is a very crucial information. Okay, so you are getting the most important information, okay, from my YouTube channel. So please subscribe my YouTube channel, okay, and share this video, because many talented students are there from social science background who want to pursue their degree from top-notch institute like IIT. Okay, so for those candidates this video will be really helpful. And now I will give you the cutoff marks for SC ST. Okay, so look, like for SC ST categories, but it was like 19.5 marks of out of 100. This is the marks you have. You like the you. This marks was the qualifying marks. Okay, you will get scorecard if you qualify this exam GET 2022. Okay, so guys, one more interesting information is that general category, it was like near about like 30, so it is like about 26, and it is like about like 20. So think about this, because like economics is completely is a science subject. completely all of you know that it is a one type of science subject. It depends on mathematics and so on. So the question paper was the question paper of 2021 was one type of moderate level. Okay, so that is why the cutoff mark was like this. Okay, so now I will give you one more important information. Okay, look this. So okay, one second, give me 1 second, give me 1 second. Yes, I think now the all the information will be visible to you. Okay, so I think now all the information will be visible to you. So who was the topper in GitHub 2021? He was the topper. Okay, so what is the name of him? So he was like Argo Banerjee. Okay, so Argo Banerjee topped in 2021 GET examination in the domain of economics. So he was the topper, and he he had obtained 62.27. Okay, near about 22 6 sorry 62. So think about it, this is the IIT examination. Topper means it is not like that you will get 80%, 90%, because this is one of the most prestigious and one of the toughest exam of our country. GATE exam, IIT JEE, IIT GATE, okay, Indian Civil Service. These are one of the most prestigious and one of the toughest exam. Okay, so Arghun Banerjee topped in 2021 exam in the domain of economics, and he had obtained like 62.27 marks. And look guys, so how many student appeared, okay, for GATE 2021? So the number of candidates I have to check it. So it will be like 2000 uh, 2000 2370. So 10 will not be there. Okay, it will be 2000. Okay, not 20,000, it will be 2307. Okay, so it is not 20,000. So I think you are getting my point, guys. Like total candidates appeared for GATE 2021 for economics. The number of candidates was like 2307. Okay, and look, he was the topper already, I have mentioned. And look, Argo Banerjee, the GATE score of Argo Banerjee was like 1000 because he was the topper. So there is a process of IIT evaluating process. So he was the topper, so his GATE score will be like 1000 out of 1000. Okay, and 1 second, guys, I want to show you one more important information, is that what was the passing rate? It was like 20%, only 20%. So you can easily calculate this. So 2000, it will not be like 20,000, it will be 2000. I have put one more zero, extra zero. So and passing rate, okay, of economics, it was like only 20%. So can you imagine, out of 2300, okay, 20% people just passed that examination. So guys, and one interesting thing I want to tell you, please make a strategy. These marks, okay, these cutoff marks, like for a for whatever the category, okay, so you have to score at least 30 to 35. And for that, please make a strategy. Okay, so you will get three sections. part A, part B, part C. In part A, you will get general aptitude, that is about like 15 marks, and that will cover like 15 marks. And part B will be like reading and comprehension, and it will cover 25 marks. So if you get at least 5 marks out of 15, 10 marks out of 25, and then part C will cover like your subject part. And I know guys, all of you are well familiar with your subject. And part C will cover like 60 marks. So out of 60, you have to score at least 50%. Means you have to score like 30 marks. So thus, in this way, you will qualify GATE 2022. So this is the basic strategy. Try to please try to make a good strategy so that you will qualify GATE 2022. This is the basic strategy what I have mentioned just now. If you need any help, just you can send me messages in my WhatsApp number, and already you will get my email ID and Instagram ID and like other ID like Twitter account in the description box. If you want to connect with me, so please see the description box, and you can send me email and so on. So guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and please share this video with your friends. And one more request, and share this video with your friends. Okay, so this is all about today. Tata bye bye from my side, and Jai Hind, Bande Mataram. Tada.